If you're on the fence about starting a microlock, a braid lock, or sister lock journey, I know you are because you clicked on this video. I got 4 reasons why you should go ahead and start your journey today. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cinnamon. I'm going to talk about 4 reasons why I feel like you should go ahead and start your journey. I know you've been battling with it and going back and forth. Should you not? Should you not? I'm here to give you the 4 reasons why I feel like you should. You should go ahead and start, because when I tell you this has been the best hairstyle and the best decision that I have made for my hair in my entire life, I am not kidding. Now, before we get started, let's do a little bit of backstory about my locks. My locks were installed by Braids in May of 2019. I have been maintaining them myself outside of the first couple of reties that I had someone else do it for me. I maintain my own locks with the interlock method. I do a 2-point rotation, which I have videos on my channel about that. I will link it in the cards of this video and in the description. So let's get into the 4 reasons why I feel like you should start your journey. Number 1 is low maintenance. This is the lowest maintenance hairstyle I have ever had in my entire life. Every hairstyle I've ever had, including my permed hair, my natural hair, and even back to my jerry curl days, yes, I used to have a jerry curl. All of those styles required so much maintenance, where I had to detangle, comb, style, condition, deep condition, steam. All of these different processes had to happen in order for those styles to look right. But for this one, I don't have to do any of that. The only thing I do is wash my hair. And I promise you, I am telling the truth on that. I do nothing but wash it. That's it. I retighten it every 4 to 8 weeks, and I wash my hair in between, and that's it. I don't even use conditioner every single time. I do that maybe once a month, maybe once every couple of months. Whenever I feel like I just want to do some little extra spa-like treatment type thing, then I do a little bit of conditioner. It's not required. I don't even have to do it. That's the beauty of it. The only thing I have to do is wash it. So this is the best hairstyle that there is for maintenance. If you don't want to be involved with dealing with your hair on a day-to-day basis, this is the style for you. Number 2 is styling versatility. You literally can style these however you want. You can curl them, you can braid it, you can put braids on top of it as extensions, you can twist it, you can curl it, you can put it in a ponytail, you can put it in a bun. Anything you can do with your loose hair, you can do with these locks. That makes the styling options for this endless. Like, you literally can do whatever you want to do. There's not many styles where you can have 2 or 3 different things, and that's what I love about locks too. There's so many different things that you can do and different looks that you can come up with. You can do an updo. You can wear it straight down. You can wear it wavy down. You can do whatever you want to do with the locks. That makes this a prime hairstyle, because even when you're doing a style, you're not necessarily tugging and combing and doing all of that detangling. You simply just take it out, wash it, start over, and go to the next style. Number 3 is the growth retention. My hair is longer than it's ever been in my entire life. My hair did grow pretty good when I had natural hair and my hair was permed even. I had about bra length hair. My hair has never gone past bra length. My hair now is almost to my butt, and I have done nothing to do that. It literally is just doing its own thing and growing. It's growing because of the low manipulation. I barely do anything to it. Locks don't require you to do much to it. And when you don't manipulate your hair, we're not combing, we're not styling, we're not adding heat to it, we're not doing any of those things that will cause our hair to break off at the ends. Our hair grows. Our hair grows at the root, but because of the things that we do to try to beautify ourselves and make our hair look cute and the things that we love about ourselves, that breaks off our hair at the end and causes our hair to be dry and brittle. Locks don't require any of that manipulation, so your hair can do nothing but just grow and thrive, and it's going to get longer and longer and longer. I don't know many people that have locks of any style that do not grow super long hair. Everybody's hair grows when it's in locks because of the low manipulation. So if your goal is to grow your hair and you want to grow long locks, this will get it to happen. If you want to grow long locks, your hair will grow into long locks. There's no question about it. It's going to grow because there is nothing manipulating to break it off. Number 4 is the freedom. The freedom that I have with these locks is next level. I do nothing to them. I have said that so many times on my channel. I do nothing to them, but that is my claim to fame. Like, I love that I don't do anything to them. I do nothing. I don't wrap them up at night. I don't sleep with a bonnet. I sleep on a satin pillowcase, and that's it. I can go to bed at night, and it's going to look exactly like this when I wake up in the morning. I don't have to do anything to make sure that that happens. I could actually jump up out of this bed, go to the shower, and be out the door in 10 minutes, and this hair is going to look exactly like it did the night before. I have never had any hairstyle that's like that. Not me. When I had a perm, I had to make sure that I straightened it and curled it and blow dried it. Even if I had a wrap, I had to wrap it up the night before to make sure that it was ready to be combed down in the morning. Now, that particular style, a wrap, was able to be combed down pretty quickly in the morning, but it did require me to do something in the evening. This doesn't require me to do anything in the evening. When I was a loose natural, I used to have to make sure I twisted it up at night. I had to take the twist down in the morning, which all caused for time. At this point in my life, I need freedom. And I am completely free of any styling situation with my hair. I just get up and I go. I can even wash my hair. Now that is monumental to me. I did a video on that as well, and I'll link that in the description as well. But I did a video on how fast I can wash my hair and go out the door. That was never ever an option. When I had a perm and I washed my hair, I had to blow dry it, then curl it. When I was a loose natural and I washed my hair, there was no washing my hair and just going out the house. Like, that was just not heard of. My hair was not the texture of a wash and go. For those of you that have that hair texture, your experience may be a little different. But me, the hair texture that I have, and you can go back and look at my videos on my channel and see the hair texture that I have, did not allow for me to just jump up, wash my hair, and go straight out the door. It took a lot of work for me to get my hair to look the way I wanted it to look before I went out the door. That's all gone. And at this stage of my life, I am completely grateful for the fact that I don't have to spend so much time on my hair. I spend no time on my hair now. I literally get up, fluff it up. Sometimes I spray a little bit of water on it just to wake her up a little bit, and that's it. Nothing. I don't do anything. It is the most freeing hairstyle I have ever had. I have loved every single part of my journey so far. I started out with about shoulder length level, and it's grown in and grown in. Most of it grew over the pandemic. A lot of it grew during that time, and I had it in a bun. When it was time to go outside again after the pandemic and I took it down, I was like, whoa, wait a minute. It did grow a little bit. And a lot of times I never pay attention to how much it has grown over the course of the years until I go back and look at pictures, or someone comments on one of my videos about how much length I've retained. I never pay any attention to it, but now that I've been looking at these videos since I've started back doing videos again, I see it. It's a big, big difference, and it's been the best journey so far ever. I absolutely love it. If I had to cut them off, then I would start all over again. I don't see myself wearing any other hairstyle. So if you are on the fence about it and you can relate to some of the things that I'm saying today, go ahead and start. If you don't like it, you can always cut it. You can always try a different style, but you would at least never can tell yourself that you didn't try, especially if you're really, really interested in it. If you're interested in it and you feel like this is something that you can do, do it. This is your sign to do it. I'm here to help you. If you want to reach out to me, please do it. I can answer any questions you have. I'll be willing to do videos on any topic you all ask me about. But I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye for now.